Good morning students. Welcome to a new session. For study of geography, it is very important to know the basic knowledge of our earth, as we will see a various features around us like trees, buildings, roads, villages, rivers, lakes, etc. found on our earth. These various features found on our earth represented by a globe and map. So today we will study about representation of geographical features. Maps. The word map is derived from Latin word mappa, which means napkin or cloth. Map is a visual representation of the earth on a flat surface. Like on this flat sheet of paper, you can see a whole earth with 7 continents and water bodies. Features of a map. It can be carried easily. It shows detailed features of an area. On a map, the whole earth can be viewed at a time. On this political map, you can see the whole earth at a time with its continents and water bodies. Types of maps. On the basis of information, maps can be classified into 3 parts: political map, physical maps, thematic maps. Political maps. Political map shows boundaries, state boundaries, capitals, towns, villages, cities, etc. Physical maps. Physical maps show mountains, plains, plateaus and desert area, etc. Thematic maps. Thematic map based on a particular theme. It shows distribution of vegetation, population, crops, etc. On the basis of scale, maps can be divided into 2 parts: large scale maps, small scale maps. Large scale maps show small area with greater details. For example, topographical maps. Topographical maps shows natural as well as man-made feature. Like in this topographical map, you can see vegetation, plain areas, settlements, rivers, tributaries, etc. Another example of large-scale map is revenue maps. These are official maps. They show ownership of land, and land registration. Small scale maps. Small scale map show large area in less details. For example, wall maps, as you must have used in your classrooms. Atlas map. In this, continents and countries are shown with many natural features like forest, rivers, vegetation, roads, railways, etc. are marked. Importance of maps. Maps help us to calculate distance between two places. For example, if you have to calculate distance from Jaipur to Bhopal, you can easily measure with the help of scale. On political map, you can easily get a clear picture of country, states, capitals, town, villages, etc. We get information about mountains, plains, plateaus, desert through map. As earlier I have shown you on physical map, mountain, plains, plateaus and deserts. Maps show how roads and railways are interconnected. Thematic maps. Thematic map stress on specific aspects like distribution of vegetation, population, crops, etc. Map making. The art of map making is called cartography. The person who makes map is called a cartographer. Now, we will study about globe. Globe is a model of Earth. It has two end axes, North Pole, South Pole. It shows latitudes, longitudes, continents and water bodies. Due to its length, height and width, it is considered to be three-dimensional model of the Earth. This is a model of globe. It has two end axes, North Pole and South Pole. It rotates on its axis. It's just like a ball. This globe has certain limitations, like it does not show a detail of any particular area. We cannot get a correct idea of distance between two places, and on a globe we can view only a one part of the Earth. As if you will see right now, the western part of the Earth, which you can see, the other part is not visible to you. It is because of its curved surface. That's why we see only a one part of the Earth. Today we learned about meaning, types and importance of maps and meaning and limitation of globe. On the basis of this topic, I'll give you worksheet which you will do in any old notebooks or blue sheet. Thank you and have a nice day.